pretty pink.
Two, acting green.
What happened to the LED, fam? Why is it going in all different colours? What happened to that?
I do have that like a black hair that I love.
Queensway Station.
Also, I think they may have changed the door bars on this one. Hold on. Just wait till the next stop.
That went up. Yeah, like there'll be some days where you're hanging.
Wait, the bell's a bit different. Wait.
Yeah, sides and
Yeah, the door bars is different.
Two,
Well, it's quiet.
acting green.
It's fucking faint as fuck. Wait, listen to the bell. It just lets off one ding. Aye, with usual MMCs and cities, there's two dings. This thing is just one ding. So this is like the first one to get like a bell swap or something. This is the first one to ever get its bell changed. I rate that. Right, let's listen to the door boss. I'm telling you, it's different. What the fuck?
Two, acting green.
There's a bit of creaking going on as well.
Notting Hill Gate Station. Notting Hill Gate Station, Hillgate Street. '94. 2. Acton Green. Pond Park. Pond Park Station.
These electrics just have such a chill, calming vibe, man. Like when you come across these buses, they feel approachable. You know, they don't feel like, oh, you're stepping onto a death trap, like something that's gonna rattle your arse off. Like they just have a welcoming vibe about them, and that's what I love about these electrics. You know, I just it's a vibe. It's a vibe I get from them that I can't explain, man. It's just such a shame how people in the bus community just play them off as, oh, it's boring, there's nothing to it. Come on, there is something to it, man. Just because it ain't got no engine, yeah? Really? Like, it just tells you, that alone, yeah? When you take out an engine from a bus, how much do you see what people actually like in buses? Huh? Nothing. Like, most of these youths in the bus community, yeah? They like the engine only. They don't give a fuck about, oh, what blind the bus has, or, you know, how it looks, its design, or anything like that. They just care about the engine. That's all they fucking care about. Because once you take that away, boring. It's got no more character to it. I hate that bus now.